Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I am no expert, just throwing that out there right now. I'm no expert. You may not like the way I do my eyebrows, and that is okay. I like them for now. I was just really excited because I had never used an eyebrow gel before. I normally just use an eyebrow pencil, but here we are. So I'm taking this NYX eyebrow gel and it's in the color espresso, just placing a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going in and gonna put it on my brows. So I like to go for a more natural brow where you can, still see the hairs in the brow. So I don't really put too much of this on it. I've seen, other people, they put a lot on, well, more than I put on. It's not a lot, but more than I would put on, and you'll really see that color on their brows, and it's like opaque. But yeah, I don't really like to do that. I like to go for a more natural, everyday, look or whatever. I like to still see the hairs in my brows, so that's what I'm going for. That's what I have been doing for the past 2 or 3 weeks since I've been using this eyebrow gel, and yeah. And I like to start at the end of the brow to fill it in, outline it, and then go in the middle and lightly, kind of just fill in the middle. And then I work my way up to the top of the brow or the front of the brow. So this is what that brow looks like in comparison to the brow that is not done. Yes, I do have little imperfections, but I take some concealer and I just kind of clean up the bottom of the brow. I don't clean up the top because I find that the brow kind of sticks out too much, like stands out too much, especially for everyday look. I just feel like it's too much for me, just my personal preference. But if that's what you want to do, you go ahead and do it, sis. Do you. However, I just go in with this color. It's Fawn in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I just clean up the bottom. I kind of want to use a different color, something a little bit more neutral maybe. But for now, this is what I have been using. So now I'm moving on to the next brow, which for some reason I could not get it together for the life of me on camera. So y'all are gonna see me mess up, take it off, mess up again, take it off, and then I'm gonna just come back and show y'all what it looks like after I do it off camera, because for some reason I just could not do this one on camera. See that? Like, no, that's too much. But I'm gonna let y'all keep watching, and then I'll be back at the end of the video. So I'm all done with both brows. This is how I do my brows on a day-to-day basis, everyday type of look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below, anything you want to say, anything you noticed, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell so you be notified each and every time your girl posts a new video. And I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.